Yeah, yeah, yeah. Atlanta Turnkey. Yeah, yeah, Atlanta Turnkey. Yeah, we do it start to done. Kitchens, baths, bills, watch it all become one. Permits, plans, clean work, we don't cut corner, son. Tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction. Atlanta Turnkey. Yeah, we do it start to done. Kitchens, baths, bills, watch it all become one. Permits, plans, clean work, we don't cut corners, son. Tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction. From the demo to the details, we ain't playing with the grade. Straight lines, tight seams, premium choices get made. Local lumber, local crews, keep the money in the A. Timeline on the calendar, we show up, not someday. Framing solid, drywall smooth, tiles at level like a pro. Light and clean, trim, crisp, every edge ready to glow. No ghost calls, real updates, pictures sent after the day. If it's turnkey, that means keys, and it's finished the right way. Atlanta Turnkey, yeah, we do it start to done. Kitchens, baths, builds, watch it all become one. Permits, plans, clean work, we don't cut corners, son. Tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction. Atlanta Turnkey, yeah, we do it start to done. Kitchens, baths, builds, watch it all become one. Permits, plans, clean work, we don't cut corners, son. Tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction. Make room upgrade, new vanity, full kitchen redesign. We can flip the whole layout, make the old look like it's fine. We protect your home, respect your space, keep it neat, keep it tight. Paperwork handled, inspections ready, everything to right. You got a vision, we got a system, step-by-step clear plan. Budget talk, scope, lock, shake hands like a grown man. If you're ready for remodel or a build that's built to last, hit the site and let's go. We move smart, Atlanta Turnkey. Yeah, we do it start to done. Kitchens, baths, builds, watch it all become one. Permits, plans, clean work, we don't cut corners, son. Tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction. Atlanta Turnkey, yeah, we do it start to done. Kitchens, baths, builds, watch it all become one. Permits, plans, clean work, we don't cut corners, son. Tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Atlanta Turnkey Construction.
Quality number one, tapping online, AtlantaTurnkeyConstruction.com. Atlanta Turnkey, yeah, the crew you can trust. So first demo swing to the final trim, no fuss, kitchens and bath, whole bill. Quality number one, tapping online, AtlantaTurnkeyConstruction.com. I've been around long enough to know what cheap really costs. Seen folks gamble on a contractor, the whole job got lost. So we move like grown men, keep it straight, keep it true. Clear scope, clean schedule, and we do what we say, we'll do no loud talk. Just results, tight joints, clean lines. Work so solid, you can feel it when you stand inside. Touch your home, basket.
Build quality's number one, tapping online, Atlanta Turnkey Construction.com. The brown house long enough to know what you call. See folks gambled on contractors, their whole job got lost. So we move like grown men, keep it straight, keep it true. Clear scope, clean schedule, and we do what we say we'll do. No loud talk, hit this holes, tight joints, clean lines. Work so solid, you can feel it when you stand inside. We protect your home, plastic up, keep the dust control, respect the family space. Yeah, that's code for professional. Atlanta Turnkey, yeah, the crew you can trust. From the first demo swing to the final trim, no fuss. Kitchens and baths, home bills, quality's number one. Tapping online, AtlantaTurnkeyConstruction.com. Get out for liquor, G-Low, plus surround, I mean, you tip the lemon rolls, so you can cook on last one, no, so Browns, kiss the go. Keep the bloody, keep them down the number one. For ready you break, yo, Atlanta Turnkey, yeah, the food you can trust. From the first demo swing to the final trim, no fuss. Kitchens and baths, whole bill, quality's number one. Tapping online, AtlantaTurnkeyConstruction.com. The Turnkey, yeah, the food you can trust. From the first demo swing to the final trim, no fuss. Kitchens and baths,
no laptop, just results like joint behind. Wood, so solid, you can stand inside. Tapped on.